guys, in this video I am talking about Adobe Acrobat. Adobe Acrobat is a family of application software and web services developed by Adobe Inc. to view, create, manipulate, print and manage file is portable document PDF. The family comprises Acrobat Reader, formerly Reader Acrobat, formerly Exchange and Acrobat.com. The basic Acrobat Reader available for several desktop and mobile platforms is freeware. It supports viewing, printing and annotating of PDF file. Additional premium services are available for Reader on paid subscription. The commercial proprietary Acrobat available for Microsoft Windows and Mac OS only can also create, edit, convert, digitally sign, encrypt, export and publish PDF files. Acrobat.com complements the family with a variety of enterprise content management and file hosting services. The main function of Adobe Acrobat is creating, viewing and editing PDF document. It can import popular document and image formats and save them as PDF. It's also possible to import a scanner, output a website or the content of Windows clipboard. Because of the nature of the PDF, however, once a PDF document is created, its natural organization and flow cannot be meaningfully modified. It, in other words, Adobe Acrobat is able to modify the contents of paragraphs and image, but doing so does not repaginate the whole document to accommodate it for longer or shorter documents. Adobe Acrobat can crop PDF pages, change their order, manipulate hyperlink, digitally sign a PDF file, add comments, redact certain parts of the PDF file, and ensure its adherence to such standards as PDF file. Adobe Acrobat came to being in 1993 and had to compete with other products and proprietary formats that aimed to create digitally documents. Common ground from No Hand Software in Enemy from WordPerfect Corporation, Folio View from Nextpage, Replica from Farallon Computing, Worldview from Interleaf, DGVU from AT&T Laboratories. Adobe has renamed the Acrobat products several times in addition to merging, separating, and discontinuing them. Initially the offered products were called Acrobat Reader, Acrobat Exchange, and Acrobat Distiller. Acrobat Exchange soon became Acrobat over time Acrobat Reader because Acrobat between version 3 and 5 Acrobat did not have several additions. In 1999, the Acrobat.com services come to being and introduced several web services whose names started with Acrobat, but eventually Acrobat.com was downgraded from the name of the family of services to that one of those services. Unlike most other Acrobat products such as members of Acrobat Creative Suite family, the Acrobat products do not have icons that display two letters on a colored rectangle. Document Cloud. In April 2015, Adobe introduced the Document Cloud branding alongside its Creative Cloud to signify its adoption to the cloud storage and the software as a services model. Apps under this branding received a DC surfing. In additions, Reader was renamed back to Acrobat Reader following the introduction of Document Cloud. Acrobat.com was discontinued as their features were integrated into the desktop and mobile apps. The UI had major change with the introduction of Acrobat DC in 2015, which supports Windows 10, Windows 7, and later and OS X 10.9 and later. Version number are now identified by the last two digits of the year of major release and month and the month or and the year is specified. The previous version was 12, but example of the DC Document Cloud Adobe Acrobat product family version are DC June 2016 version 15.016.20045 released to June 2016 and DC Classic January 2016 version 15.15006.30119 released 12 January 2016 from DC 2015. The Acrobat family is available in two tracks: the original track, now named Classic, and the continuous track. Updates for the Classic track are released quarterly and do not include new features, whereas updates for the continuous track are issued for more frequently and implemented silently and automatically. The last pre-DC version, Acrobat XI, was updated to 11.0.23 version, and this was the final release on November 14, 2017. Sport 4, which ended on October 15, 2017. Acrobat.com in the web version of Acrobat developed by Adobe Inc. to edit, create, manipulate, print, and manage files in the portable document format PDF. It is currently available for users with a web browser and an Adobe ID only. Acrobat Distiller is a software application of converting documents from PostScript format to Adobe PDF portable document format, the native format of the Adobe Acrobat family of products. Acrobat Pro is the professional full version of Acrobat developed by Adobe Inc. to edit, create, manipulate, print, and manage files in the portable document format PDF. It, it is currently available for Windows and Mac OS users only. Acrobat Reader is the freeware version of Acrobat developed by Adobe Inc. to view, create, fill, print, and format files in in the portable document file PDF. It is currently available for Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android user only. Acrobat Standard is the standard full version of Acrobat developed by Adobe Acrobat into edit, create, manipulate, print, and manage file in the portable document format PDF. It is currently available for Windows user only. Documents Cloud is part of the Acrobat family developed by Adobe Inc. to edit, create, save, online, print, and format files in the portable document format PDF. It is currently available for users with a web browser and an Adobe ID only. Fill and sign in part of the Acrobat family developed by Adobe Inc. to fill, sign, and manage files in the portable document format PDF. It is currently available for Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android users only. Scan in part of the Acrobat family developed by Adobe Inc. to scan, scroll, and manage files in the portable document format PDF. It is currently available for iOS and Android users only. Sign formerly at EcoSign and eSign is part of the Acrobat family developed by Adobe Inc. to fill, sign, and manage files in the portable document file PDF. It is currently available for Mac OS and Android users only. Acrobat approval allows users to deploy electronics from based on the Acrobat Business Tool in a discontinued component of the Acrobat family was what was that was distributed by Adobe system with calibration and document review features. Acrobat Capture in a document processing utility for Windows from Adobe system that converts a scan of any paper document into a PDF file with selectable text through OCR technology. Acrobat Distiller server in a discontinued server-based utility that was developed by Adobe System. It to perform centralized high-volume conversion of PostScript document to PDF format for workgroups. Acrobat eBook Reader is a PDF-based in-book reader from Adobe System features present in Acrobat eBook Reader later appeared in digital editions. Acrobat Elements was a very basic version of the Acrobat family that was released by Adobe System. Its key feature advantage over the free Acrobat Reader was the ability to create reliable PDF file from Microsoft Office application. Acrobat in production in a pre-press tools suite for Acrobat released by Adobe in 2000 to handle color separation and pre-flattening to of PDF file of printing. Adobe Acrobat Messengers in a document utility for Acrobat user that was released by Adobe System in 2000 to convert paper document in PDF file that can be emailed, faxed, or shared online. Acrobat Reader Touch is a free PDF document viewer developed by release on December December 11, 2012 by Adobe System for the Windows Touch user interface. From Central was a web from feeling server for user with Windows, Mac OS, or a web browser and an Adobe ID only. It is discontinued on July 28, 2015 was replaced by Experience Manager from Send a Track, formerly Send Now, and Send was a service that lets you send files as links, track files you send to specific individual, and get confirmation receipts when others view your life. It was completely discount or as July 11, 2018 hidden hyper tools. Acrobat is a tool installed along with the Acrobat version will running in the background in the maintain the accuracy of Acrobat file import to Acrobat. Adobe Acrobat is available in the following language: Arabic, Chinese, simplified Chinese, traditional Danish, Dutch, English, Finnish, French, German, Greek, Hebrew, Hungarian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Norwegian, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, Spanish, Swedish, Turkish, and Europeans. Arabic and Hebrew version are available from Winsoft International, Adobe System Internationalization and Localization Partner. Before Acrobat, before Adobe Acrobat DC, separate Arabic and Hebrew version were developed specifically for the language which are normally written right to left. These versions include special touch-up properties to manage digital ligatures option and paragraph direction to right to left, middle Eastern scripts such as Arabic, Hebrew, and Persian, as well as standard left to right Indian scripts such as Devanagari and Gujarati. The web capture feature can convert single web pages or entire websites into PDF file while preserving the content original text recording. A comprehensive list of security bulletins for most Adobe products and related version is published on their security bulletins and advertise page and it other related venues In particular, the detailed history of security updates for all versions of Acrobat, Adobe Acrobat has been made public. From version 3.02 onward, Acrobat Reader has included support for, for JavaScript. This functionally allows a PDF document created to include code with executes when the document is read molecules PDF files. The attempt to attack security can be attached to link on web pages or distribute as email attachment. When JavaScript is designed without direct access to the file system to make it safe, has been reported for abuses such as distributing molecules code by Acrobat programs. Adobe application had already become the most popular client software target for attacker during the last quarter of 2009. McAfee predicted the Adobe software, specifically Reader as Flash, would be the primary target for software attacks in the year 2010. And on September 13, 2006, David Kersnowski sample PDF file illustrating JavaScript vulnerabilities. Since at least version 6 JavaScript can be disabled using the performance menu and implement URLs that are launched or intercepted by a security warning dialog box to either allow or block the website from activating. On February 19, 2009, Adobe released a security bulletin announcing JavaScript vulnerabilities in Adobe Reader and Acrobat version 9 and earlier. As a workaround for this issue, US CERT recommended disabling JavaScript in the affected Adobe products, cancelling integrated integration with Windows Shell and web browser, will carrying out an extended version of the integrated for Internet Explorer, deactivating Adobe indexing service and avoiding all PDF files from external producers. Adobe has identified critical vulnerabilities in Adobe Reader and Acrobat XI 11.0.01 and earlier for Windows and 9.5.3 and earlier 9.9.x versions. These vulnerabilities could cause the application to crash. The practically allows to attacker to take control of the affected system. There have been reports of these vulnerabilities being the PDF files. Adobe has released security updates for Acrobat.com, a reader for Windows and Macintosh. These updates address critical vulnerabilities that could potentially allow an attacker to take control of the affected system. Thanks for watching videos. Bye guys. In this video I am talking about Adobe Acrobat and histories, etc. Bye guys.